Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you the biography of Albert Einstein. Before we know about him, I request you all to subscribe my channel and watch the video till the end. Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in the Kingdom of Württemberg in the German Empire. Einstein did not talk for a long time when he was born. He was born fat and with a really big head. His parents were worried about their kid, thinking something was wrong with him. He was too slow in childhood. Till the age of 9, he only used to speak to himself. His own family found him strange and dull, yet his school teachers found him abnormal and average student. But Einstein used to do experiments all the day. When Einstein was 5 years old, his father showed him a simple pocket compass. Einstein experimented with it all day long, just to find out why it always points to the north. At the age of 8, he was transferred to the Luitpold Gymnasium, where he received advanced primary and secondary school education until he left the German Empire. His father intended him to pursue electrical engineering, but Einstein did not like the teaching methods in his schools. He never trusted these teachers. He always questioned the teachers and their methods. He started to learn things by himself. By the age of 12, he had learned geometry by himself. Einstein also independently discovered his own original proof of the Pythagorean theorem at the age of 12. Einstein started teaching himself calculus. At the age of 14, he had mastered integral and differential calculus. In 1895, at the age of 16, Einstein took the entrance examination for the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School in Zurich. He failed to reach the requirements of the examination. On the advice of the principal of Polytechnic School, Einstein attended the Gregorian Cantonal School in Switzerland. At the age of 17, he enrolled in the 4-year Mathematics and Physics Teaching Diploma program at the Zurich Polytechnic School. Einstein's future wife Marie was also enrolled at the Polytechnic School. That year, she was the only woman among the 6 students. Over the next few years, Einstein and Marie friendship developed. Einstein and Marie married in January 1903. In 1904, their son Hans Albert Einstein was born. They divorced in 1919. Einstein married Elsa in 1990. Elsa was diagnosed with heart and kidney problems. In 1935, she died. After graduating in 1900, Einstein spent almost 2 frustrating years searching for a teaching post. Einstein got a job in Federal Office for Intellectual Property, the Patent Office, as an assistant examiner. In 1905, a clerk from Switzerland published 4 groundbreaking papers which attracted the attention of the academic world. The first paper outlined the theory of the photoelectric effect. The second explained Brownian motion. The third introduced special relativity, and the fourth mass-energy equivalence. It brought a revolution to the science forever. Guess who was the clerk? Albert Einstein. The rest is history. He received Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 and also received a couple of awards in the following years. Einstein died in 1955. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination is unlimited. Once you stop learning, you start dying. Weak people revenge. Strong people forgive. Intelligent people ignore. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends.